The Viegas Casino and Resort Renovation Phase B1 proved to be one of the most complex and rewarding projects in which Christian Brothers Flooring and Interiors has been involved. There were interior and exterior installations, over 24 tile, stone, and glass finishes, and the project had to be installed in less than 60 days. This was accomplished by working shifts with up to 35 tile craftsmen. Shifts were scheduled 24 hours a day, 6 days per week. Design changes were made daily, so field flexibility and adjustments were managed by the project team. Interior work ranged from extreme subfloor issues, which required self-leveling at an average of 1 inch, floated mortar beds at some of the floor tile areas, and intricate layouts of tile, stone, glass, and mosaic tiles. The tile installation also included gauge porcelain panels, which had to be cut down to 5-inch widths and then installed on an entry wall area 30 feet above the ground. Scissor lifts were utilized to install the elevated areas. On the exterior, the team installed an 18 by 36 by 5/8 inch sandstone, which required 24-hour temperature monitoring and daily pull tests. The 60-foot high enclosed scaffold area had to be heated, and the building surface could not be allowed to drop below 40 degrees. Congratulations to Christian Brothers for their NTCA Five-Star Project of the Year Commercial Grand Prize win for the Viegas Casino and Resort Renovation Phase B1 project.